This brand is made in China and is available through their website or on Amazon. The H201 model has 6 stages of purification, a 215 square feet coverage area, and a 59 CFM delivery rate with a noise rating of 45 decibels on high speed. The unit has an auto mode which controls the fan speed based on the amount of light in the room, where the fan speeds up during the daytime and slows down at night, but this has nothing to do with the actual air quality in the room. The H211 model has 4 stages of purification, a 1,250 square feet coverage area with a 130 CFM delivery rate and an air quality sensor to control the fan in the auto mode based on the actual quality of the air in the room. It also includes a 4-color light to give real-time indication of the home's current air quality. The H211S has the same features but adds Wi-Fi and voice control of the unit for the ultimate in comfort and convenience. The brand is backed by a very good warranty that includes a 30-day no-question return policy.